It's the end of the boating season, so I'm changing the oil on my Yamaha engine before putting our pontoon into storage. Replacing the oil helps eliminate impurities, and fresh oil from Yamalube includes additives that protect internal components against rust and other corrosion. Changing your own oil isn't difficult, and Yamaha makes it even easier by offering oil change kits for most Yamaha outboards. The kit for my F50 contains 3 quarts of Yamalube 4M oil formulated specifically for 4-stroke Yamaha outboards, a new oil filter, and a new drain seal. 10W30 is the best oil viscosity for the cold temperatures here. It's chilly this morning, so I ran the engine briefly to warm the oil so it drains well. Before starting the oil change process, remove the dipstick to check the oil level and also to check the oil itself. If it's dark, milky color, or smells like gas, have your engine checked by an authorized Yamaha mechanic. Now to drain the oil, leave the dipstick unseated and remove the drain plug at the back of the engine. Your oil pan should be large enough to handle the quantity of oil to be removed. Once the oil has started draining, remove your old oil filter, keeping a rag handy to handle any leaks. With the spent oil now removed, replace the crush gasket on the drain plug with the new one in the kit, then reinstall. Lubricate the O-ring on the new oil filter with fresh oil and install it without over-tightening. The next step is to remove the yellow oil fill plug and add fresh oil to the engine. I recommend you add slightly less than what the engine capacity calls for, then check your oil level on the dipstick after giving the oil a few minutes to drain into the pan first. This helps you prevent overfilling if there's any spent oil remaining in the engine. When it comes to achieving peak performance, maintenance matters.